Introducing TURTL, the future of eco-friendly premium sunglasses. Where bioplastic technology meets Italian hand craftsmanship. Our mission is to keep you looking great while keeping the planet looking even better. We're excited to bring you 3 major breakthroughs in eyewear. First, the BioShell frame. Using cutting-edge bioplastic technology, our frames fuse plant-based biodegradable materials with unrivaled strength and striking color, so you won't need to choose between style and sustainability ever again. Second, the BioNylon lens. The world's first plant-based polarized lens made from ethically sourced castor plants. Created in France by the world-renowned Dalloz Creations, BioNylon lenses have 100% UV protection and flawless optical clarity to protect and enhance your vision outdoors. And finally, the SureFit design. Handcrafted by our 3rd-generation Italian artisans, our SureFit nose bridge is ergonomically designed to fit all faces and ensure maximum comfort for everyone, everywhere. Every year, sunglass production is responsible for over 100 million pounds of plastic waste, which ends up in our oceans and landfills. This plastic pollution won't decompose for hundreds of years and has many harmful environmental impacts. In contrast, the byproducts from the production of TURTL sunglasses will biodegrade within 115 days, making them EU-certified biodegradable. To further increase our impact, we've started our Buy One, Recycle 100 initiative. For every pair sold, 100 water bottles worth of plastic will be recycled from our oceans. You can feel great knowing your purchase is helping alleviate our global plastic problem. Focusing on the needs of our planet, it's vital we reinvent the eyewear industry, which is largely run by one monopoly and is both polluting and overpriced. For example, a study by Forbes shows that brands that retail for upwards of $400 cost roughly $25 to produce. That's nearly a 1,600% markup. TURTL removes all of the middlemen and retail markups, which allows us to invest more in our product and our planet, while delivering premium Italian sunglasses at a fraction of the retail price. Over the past 18 months, we've collaborated with the world's leading eyewear experts to completely redesign how sunglasses are created. The end result? A product that is 100% made in the EU. Our BioNylon lenses are created in France, our 3-barrel hinges are sourced from Austria, and the final handcrafted sunglasses are perfected in the Italian Alps. This expertise allows for both beauty and durability, so you can count on them for years to come.
They seem too solid to be made out of plants, but I mean that in a good way.
Oh my god, I love these. These look so good. I'm gonna tell people to get them.
To me, the look, the aesthetic of it is on point with like a $300-400 brand.
Our limited edition Indiegogo collection comes in 3 styles and 3 colors. Each of our 3 styles were refined to ensure they're both unisex and timeless, so you can wear them anytime, anywhere. At TURTL, we pride ourselves on creating long-lasting sunglasses. Each pair of TURTLs comes with a 1-year warranty. If there's anything wrong with your sunglasses outside of usual wear and tear, just send them back to us and we'll repair or replace them free of charge. Rest easy knowing you're covered. Our vision is that one day all products will be made from sustainable materials and the world's oceans will be plastic-free. Your pledge makes an impact and helps this future become a reality. Join us today.